Hey, hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Krishnan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Spring Boot application using what? IntelliJ Community version. See, to do that, instead of actually creating the project from the IntelliJ, so the best option actually go to this particular link. So this is actually called Spring Initializer. The URL for that actually start.spring.io. Here you have to select a couple of options in order to generate the Spring Boot application. So what to do? So make sure what exactly do you want? So generate with a Maven project, actually Gradle project. Okay, I want a Maven project, and then you can select the language here. So let it be Java, since we're going to develop entire application using Java. So here you can see the Spring Boot latest version. So 2.1.1 snapshot is the latest. So, but I always, recommend you guys to select the stable version, right? So now you can provide your group ID. So the group ID actually I'm going to choose com.dineshkrish. So provide the artifact ID. So the artifact I'm going to choose CMS. That is actually customer management system. So the dependency I'm going to add the web, right? So add the dependency. Once everything is done, just simply generate the project. Now you can see the CMS. The Maven project actually generated. You can actually go to the download link. Let me actually put it here, right? I'm gonna unzip this particular Maven project here, right? So now what I'm gonna do, instead of actually going on a create option, I'm gonna import the project. So click on the import project. Now you have to select the project. See, my project actually available in C drive, user, Dinesh, desktop. You can see CMS, right? So just click on CMS. So once that is done, that is actually going to show you two options. So import project from the external mode, right? So I'm going to select Maven, since we are dealing with the Maven project, right? Next, then what you have, make sure that some of the checkbox actually enable. I'm going to say search the project from the recursively. Just actually click on it. Import the Maven project actually automatically, right? So let me give next. So once that is done, you can see our CMS application actually shown here, right? Give a next. So now let me simply give finish. I'm gonna give finish. Once you actually done a finish, now you can see that the project actually getting created. Now you can see that the project actually got created, right? Now in the project, if you look at it, you can find source folder and main folder. Everything actually we generated using Spring Initializer. We just imported that project into community version, right? Now let me simply go to CMS application. Just click on it. Now you can see one simple Spring Boot application is created. I just want to make sure that this is actually running properly or not. I'm gonna simply run this application. Let's see what is gonna happen. Okay, our Spring Boot application is getting started. Now we actually created the simple Spring Boot application using the Spring Initializer. We imported the project and we started successfully. Thanks for watching.